Shenzhen Skyhope Smart Technology, INC, was founded in 2015. We specialize in smart home appliances and educational AV products with OEM and ODM services. Our dust-free lines produce smart TVs and interactive conference multimedia smart touchscreens from 32 inches, 43 inches, 55 inches, 65, 75, 85, 95, up to 140 inches. Our products are exported to North America, UK, EU, Middle East, Latin America, Russia, Africa, Southeast Asia. We use original panels from LG, Sharp, BOE, with strict aging tests. Our smart TVs support Google TV, WebOS, Hotel System, Vidaa System, Android 16 OS. We can customize any system for you. We pre-install Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Spotify, and 10 more apps. It features 2K, UHD 4K, 8K, QLED, OLED, Mini LED, ultra-clear display, and Dolby Audio. Our high-end models installed by LG Sharp BOE panels come with a 3-year warranty. We provide a full range of smart TV sizes for global markets.